They helped me. I think that pretty much summarizes it. They helped me really good. One thing about doing your master's here is that it's pretty clear whom to ask questions in case you're lost. Except maybe you just don't want to. There are systems in place to assist students with, you want to know when your classes are, you want to know if you could reschedule a class or something like that. There's always a system to assist you with that. So yeah, the help was very good.
Brilliant. So what advice would you give to current students who are just starting their journey? So maybe they're in their first trimester and they've got another 2 trimesters to go. What advice would you give to those students?
Well, deliver your assignments on time.
Good advice.
Yeah, deliver your assignments on time. Trust me, those 10% deductions for late submissions do, stack up after a while. But on a more serious note, what I would say is be curious about what you're doing.
Good advice. Yeah.
It's a skill set. Being able to understand and manipulate algorithms is a skill set. And if you allow your curiosity shine through that skill set, there's no bounds where you can stop.
Yeah.
The challenge with some people is that they probably want to stop at just acing the classes and just turning in assignments. But there's a lot more that can be done, and you probably want to take advantage of this environment and this system, to do a lot more. The competition globally is crazy, and AI is always evolving.
Yeah.
So be curious, do a lot, and enjoy yourself.
Brilliant. Yeah, great advice. Thank you. So how has your career evolved since graduating, and how did your studies contribute to that evolution?
The impact my studies has had on my career has been immense. Again, like I said, I work currently as a data scientist. I don't think I'd be here if not for the University of Hull, obviously. The work that I'm able to do now, I owe it largely to the experiences and the skills I learned in my program.
Brilliant.
And also the people I met, to be honest. I met some fantastic people, both students and teachers. So overall, it's been immense, the overall impact that this program has had on me. Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah, super. And what are you most proud of achieving since graduating from your studies?
Since graduating, well, I've been working on a few okay, I'll tell you something, all right?
Yeah,
so something I'm really, really passionate about is creating AI solutions that the everyday person can use.
Okay.
I know we have a lot of research articles and really intelligent and intellectual materials that is not easily digestible by just the regular person outside, but my passion is to create something that people can use. So in view of that, I created something during my final dissertation. I created a recommended tool that is able to help settlers who just come into the UK pick out places they can stay in based off of what they like. I feel it was a very, very refreshing tool because there was nothing like that at the time.
Yeah.
Where, let's say, for example, you wanted to maybe go to the US and maybe you like living around areas that have lots of active nightlife, or you enjoy a more culturally diverse area. So you could just go on my model and impute that, and then you would get recommendations about where to stay.
Okay.
So being able to create that is kind of the proudest thing I've created.
Yeah, definitely. So is it live? Can people use it now? Or what's the final aim with that?
Okay, so it was live, but I brought it down.
No, fair enough. Yeah.
Because it obviously needs a lot of work in terms of the front end and the dynamism with the website experience, UI UX stuff.
Yeah.
But other than that, I feel like some other work is needed. I'm definitely open to collaboration. All right, so yeah, it's one of the things I'll be happy to explore. But yeah, lots more work to be done.
Super. No, thank you. That sounds great. So can you elaborate a little bit further on the work that you do now in your current role?
Okay, so as a data scientist where I work, I help my company by making sense of natural language data.
Okay.
So we have lots of text in where I work.
Yep.
So the objective, or one of the objectives I've been dealing with recently, is to help the executive make more informed decisions based off of the text data that they have. I get to work with BERT and some other NLP algorithms. And,
Brilliant.
It's exciting, regular work. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased.
Super, that's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
So do you have anything further to add? I've reached the end of my questions. So is there anything further you would like to add? Any
Okay.
advice for future students, or any kind of like highlight of the last couple of years?
Okay, maybe an advice, I guess.
Yeah, of course, go
Okay,
ahead.
So, I think it's so underrated what's possible if you allow yourself to dream.
Yeah.
It's so underrated. Think outside the definitions that you've been provided. Okay, you have to do your course, I understand that. You have assignments to turn in, I understand that.
Yeah.
But think more practically, because when you go out there in the real world, it's not really about textbooks or fancy algorithms anymore. It's about utility. What value can you deliver to the next person? There is no inferior model, there is no superior model. There's just an effective and efficient model to do the job.
Yeah.
So think about problems, think about how to solve those problems using the skill set you learn, and I think you'll do really, really fine.
Inspiring words. Thank you so much, Adi, for your interview.
Thank
Take
you,
care,
my
and all the
pleasure.
best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And it's a wrap.
Hi, my name is Kevin Pimbblet, and I'm the Director of the Centre of Excellence for Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Modelling, otherwise known as DAIM, here at the University of Hull. We run an MSc conversion course in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science here at the University of Hull. A conversion course takes in students from a wide variety of different backgrounds, not just STEM subjects, but arts and humanities and everything else in between. We upskill them in data science and artificial intelligence, and we do that through a series of bespoke modules, starting with Python programming in the first few weeks of trimester, leading into introductory materials in understanding artificial intelligence and the fundamentals of data science. We've just built a new building that you can see all around me. This is a £4.5 million investment by the University of Hull, and a strategic decision to invest in artificial intelligence and data science for the long term. Here at the University of Hull, we offer the full breadth of artificial intelligence and data science. We have elective options in a range of different subjects, from ethics right through to AI in healthcare, and a lot of others in between as well. We like to have our students on campus for one full day per week. That's from 9 AM right through to 6 PM. What this enables is for our students to manage their own time, so that if they have a job for which they might be going part-time, they can do it for the rest of the week, and therefore they can have that full day on campus learning and doing all the programming that they're required to do. There are a variety of reasons why our students choose the University of Hull as their first choice for an MSc conversion course. Not only do we upskill our students within the areas of AI and data science, but also locally this is one of the best regions in which to study. Here at the University of Hull, we offer the widest variety of different training courses in AI and data science. We also offer bursaries that our students are able to apply for, so if you are female, black, disabled, or from a low socioeconomic background, as might be judged from the higher rate of student loan, and you are a UK citizen, resident, or settled status, then please do consider joining us.